So my name's Sean from R&R RV out in Liberty Lake, Washington, and we're going to put some SumoSprings, part number SSR-307-47, on a 2011 Dodge half-ton. So I've already removed the factory bump stop. So I've removed the factory bump stop already, but we did that so I could show you how the difference between the factory pretty useless bump stops to the Sumo bump stops that are going to help with any sagging and help with the stability and towing of this half-ton truck. So we've determined that it's the rear hole, so they'll be further back, so they'll be centered on the rear axle. So we'll go ahead and tighten down our spring nut bolt with a 13 millimeter socket. Just kidding. 14 millimeter. Now we're ready to go and remove the factory bump stops. So we're going to remove the factory bump stop by sliding a pry bar in there. Hopefully getting it out. And just removing the factory bump stop and throwing them away. We won't be reusing them. So we're going to start with the install of our SumoSprings that we've already determined the hole location. Go up into place. If it doesn't fit, that means you got to jack the truck up higher. Now we've made enough room for our Sumos to fit up here, so we can go ahead and install the brackets, washer, and a locking nut. If you can, try to get a couple started so we can put our other bracket in place. It's pretty easy. We're gonna go ahead and put our other bracket in place and secure it down with some more washers and locking nuts. With this being a round surface from the old bump stop, you can move this thing around a little bit to help. I think we have one more back here that we'll need to snug up right there. So there we've just installed our SumoSpring on this 2011 Dodge pickup on the driver's side. So now we're gonna move on over to the passenger side. All right, so we're on the passenger side, and this is the factory bump stop here, and I'm just gonna hold this SumoSpring up into place and it's gonna show you the difference about how far we have that we're going to eliminate the travel and the sag of this truck. We're talking probably 4 inches. So now we're going to remove the jack stand and drop it down and watch these SumoSprings in action. Just sits right on that pad.